The remarkable Curiosity rover, operated by NASA, recently captured stunning new panoramic images of the Martian terrain on a clear winter day, providing insights into one of Mars' enduring enigmas. Positioned at a vantage point in the foothills of Mount Sharp, a towering 3-mile-high mountain, the rover was able to survey the expansive Gale Crater below. Prominently featured in the center of the images is Peace Vallis, an ancient riverbed believed to have transported water into the crater billions of years ago, a crucial detail that piques scientists' interest about Mars' watery past. What's truly fascinating is that despite the vast distance of approximately 140 million miles that separates Earth and Mars, the characteristics of Peace Vallis bear a striking resemblance to river drainage systems on our own planet. However, the exact processes behind the formation of this alien landscape remain a mystery. Some scientists propose that rain may have shaped the area during a time when Mars was warmer and wetter, while others speculate that the water might have originated from melted snow or even underground springs. The latest set of images, taken from about 19 miles away, reveal previously unseen rocky formations and sedimentary paddings. According to NASA, even though Curiosity has imaged Peace Vallis before, this is the first instance where such detailed features have been captured. The top image in this article showcases just a fragment of a broader panorama, created by meticulously stitching together 44 individual frames collected by Curiosity's Mastcam. The scientists tailored the colors in these images to reflect how they would appear under Earth's lighting conditions, enhancing their relevance for our understanding. To compile this panoramic view, Curiosity transmitted an impressive 44 individual frames back to Earth to be assembled into one cohesive image. The rover's ChemCam instrument, a black-and-white camera likened to a small telescope, was also employed to examine the distant terrain, including Peace Vallis, which was captured in an additional 10 frames, demonstrating a remarkable detail of features, including striking geological formations located slightly left of center. These fresh observations could significantly advance our understanding of how sediment once flowed into Gale Crater and for what duration. Such visual evidence might also shed light on the original source of the water that shaped this region. Long before Mars transformed into the cold, barren landscape we see today, it was a planet adorned with rivers, lakes, and possibly vast oceans. Researchers have uncovered abundant signs that the Martian environment was once friendly to water, yet the precise timeline regarding its disappearance, along with the reasons it vanished and how long conditions remained suitable for life, remains elusive. Scientists theorize that water and sediment likely cascaded down Peace Vallis into Gale Crater, paving the way for a fan of sediment to blanket the basin floor, a striking visual that reveals the planet's once productive history. Since embarking on its mission in 2011, the Curiosity rover, a mobile laboratory roughly the size of a Mini Cooper, has traveled a staggering distance of around 352 million miles, venturing through the cosmos and navigating roughly 22 miles of Martian soil. Understanding the crater's water history is crucial to Curiosity's mission, which aims to explore whether Mars could have sustained microbial life. In fact, many researchers are increasingly optimistic that microorganisms may have existed on Mars. Recently, NASA hosted a press conference highlighting an exciting rock sample obtained by Curiosity's sibling rover at Gale Crater, slated for analysis in 2024. This sample is believed to harbor fossilized remnants, possibly indicative of ancient biological activity, although NASA officials cautioned that alternative, non-biological explanations cannot be ruled out. This discovery by our remarkable Perseverance rover brings us closer to uncovering signs of past life on Mars than we have ever been, remarked Nikki Fox, NASA's Associate Administrator. Currently about 2,000 miles away from Perseverance, Curiosity is investigating an intriguing area of Mars characterized by a unique geological formation known as boxwork, a landscape showcasing a grid of ridges. Some scientists propose that these ridges may have been carved by the last remnants of water in the region before the area experienced a definitive dry spell. However, The presence of mineral veins within the boxwork contradicts the timeline scientists believe pertains to the dissipation of groundwater. But here's where it gets controversial. What do you think? Are we on the brink of discovering ancient life on Mars? Or are these exciting findings just the result of geological processes? Your thoughts and opinions are welcome in the comments below.